Good morning, YouTube friends. Day 37 of our Himalayan Mulberry update, and today is November 30, the last day of November 2022. So tomorrow will be the first day of the last month of this year, and as you can see here, we're only having a few remaining fruits that are still attached to the tree, and I think I don't have to harvest this one, or I just let the birds have their share as well of the season. And then I think roughly next week, um, right after the speech competition in which I am coaching two students, right after that, then I still have time to probably do some air layering and marketing during weekends, and including that avocado tree that we have, and of course fixing something, arranging the pots inside the garden enclosure. There's this sad thing that happened, or beetroot, due to some rain for many days, and I was trying to do my best to cover with banana leaves, not to get damaged by the rain, but still, it's a sad thing. It's from an Australian friend, and I don't know, maybe one or two plants remaining, but I don't know if that will survive. Hopefully, out of those like hundreds of beetroots there that are quite healthy growing in my previous vlog, right there in that corner, the one large spot, a big like this, and there's another average, and this kind of big, and then there's an old box there. So like around 100 plants I planted there. That's why that time I was reluctant to put all the seeds. That would be a good plan if I reserve maybe 50% of the seeds for the next season. But I was thinking it's okay. There was no rain that time, but then a few days after, there was this like rain every single day, like in the afternoon, in the morning, and even in the evening. And so I don't know, I could not find that kind of variety here in Thailand for many years of living here, and I've known all of the agricultural stores here, but I could not find that kind of variety that was from Australia. And I think the Black Beauty eggplant and probably will succeed. I planted them on the seed tray, and you can see that. So thank you once again, YouTube friends. I'm quite busy right now. I have to head to school as much as early as possible with my wife to continue the training and coaching with my two students for the speech competition, both higher and lower Matayom. Yeah, still we're at the beginning stage. I don't know, this coming Monday, December 5, it's holiday, and 3 days after, by Thursday, that's December 8, will be the date of the competition that will be held in my school, in the school that I'm working right now. So keep in touch and see you in the next vlog. Bye.